Hi, good evening to all. So today's topic is all about the current account. It is an important topic of banking law and practice. So we will look at the meaning of the current account first. It refers to a running account in which there is no limit on the operation during a working day. If we have a current account, we will do the n number of banking operations in a day. In a banking working day. Its objective is to support frequent and regular transactions of a business. Business doing people to a lot of transactions in a day. To meet that purpose, the banking sector will help through the current account. Its features, the first one is current accounts are operated to run a business. Current account helps to easily run the business because it, it doesn't have a restriction on transactions. We can do a number of transactions in a day. It will help to the business people. It's a non-interest bearing bank. Bank does not provide any interest to the current account holder. It needs a higher minimum balance to be maintained. The current account the holder's balance should be in minimum. If not, the current account cannot be maintained. Penalties charged if a minimum balance is not maintained. If the account holder fails to maintain the minimum balance, the penalty imposes on them. It charges the interest on the short-term funds. It's also called as the overdraft borrowed from the bank. If current account holder borrows any short-term funds from the banks, they will have to charge as interest to the bank. Banker requires KYC norms, now your customer norms, to be completed before opening a current account. If you want to open a new current account, we need to sign on the KYC norms, which is now provided by RBI. It should be now followed by every banks. There is no restriction on transactions. It doesn't have any restriction on deposits and withdrawals. We can do the n number of deposits and withdrawals in a day during banking working days. Then we will now move to the types of current accounts. The first one is standard current accounts. This type of account requires the customer to maintain a minimum monthly average balance. The businessman has to earn minimum monthly average balance to open a standard current accounts. Basic current accounts, it's a deal for customers with low wage income like pensioners, young people, etc. This type of current account especially for the low wage income people like the pensioners, young people, etc. Second, the premium current accounts. This is a kind of account that comes with the exclusive offers benefits to the customers. It provides a lot of offers and benefits to the current account holders. Packaged current accounts, it comes with exclusive features like medical support, travel insurance, and more. This account provides the medical support, travel insurance to the customers. Foreign currency accounts, these accounts are offered to NRIs, non-residential Indians, who want to carry out a frequent transaction in foreign currencies. The NRI people have to then transact through the from the abroad. That time the bank provides a foreign currency in current accounts. Then we will move to the requirements required the documents needed to open a current account. It's all essential to open a new current account. In the form of a sole proprietorship form, the individual form, name, address, license, photo, PAN card, address proof of power of attorney. These documents will be required to open a new current account in the case of the sole proprietorship form. Next, Hindu undivided family. This is it's a kind of a business. For those people to open a current account, the required documents are the photo of the Karta who is the leader of the Hindu undivided family business, sign, address proof, mobile number and email ID, PAN card, HGF letter, check from existing current account. It's all required documents now. In case of a Hindu undivided family business. Then moving forward to partnership form. If they come to the bank to open a current account, the banker will ask some of these documents to open a new account, to open a new current account. These are a photo and sign of a partners, address proof, owners holding more than 50% in the firm. The partners share capital should be 50% in the firm. Partnership deed, it's a kind of agreement, and a letter of a partnership. It's all need to open a new current account in case of a partnership form. Then moving forward to private and public limited company. For this required documents are certificate of incorporation, COI, MOI, memorandum of association, and article of association, board resolution, list of directors, owners holding more than 20% in the company. Owners share capital should be 20% in the company. If they fulfill these requirements, they will open their current account in the bank. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.